solve the following pair of equations. So we have fractions and quite a few things happening over here. So let's first write it down. We have 2 into x into y dividing x plus y, getting divided by x plus y, which is equal to 3 by 2. So we have a fraction over here, fraction over here. It's of a form something like this. Let me make it easy for you guys. A by b is equal to c by d. What can you do? We can cross multiply them. A into d is equal to c into b. Okay, that's what we'll do over here. So we have 2 into x into y into 2, which is equal to 3 into x plus y, right? So we have 4 xy is equal to 3x plus 3y. Now, is this a linear equation in 2 variable? No, actually not. Here the power is 2. So we have to make it a linear equation. However, is the degree 2? The power of x and y is 1 and 1. So as a whole, the term's power is 2. The degree is 2. So basically, how do you do this? We'll multiply throughout with xy. Okay. So what happens if I divide with xy? Here the entire thing gets cancelled other than the 4, of course. Here x and x, y and y. And so we have 4 is equal to 3 by y plus 3 by x. So you know after this what you guys have to do. You have to call x and y as let x be equal 1 by x be equal to a, 1 by y be equal to b and all of that. And then we have to simplify this. This comes under your traditional textbook questions also. And on to the second one. So we have xy divided by 2x minus y is equal to minus 3 by 10. Same process, crisscross and all of that. So we have 10xy is equal to minus 3 of 2x minus y. So further simplification involves using distributive property over here, minus 6x plus 3y. And then on to dividing throughout by xy, xy and xy. So we have xy, x and x, y and y. So we have 10 is equal to minus 6 by y plus 3 by x. Now let's do this. Let a be equal to 1 by x and b be equal to 1 by y. Be careful with what is x and what is y. That's where generally everyone makes a mistake. So 4 times of 3b plus 3a, right? Therefore we have 4 times of 3b plus 3a, and we have 10 times of minus 6b plus 3a. So it's a simple solution now, not too hard. All we have to do is, if I call this as 1 and this as 2, if I add 1 and 2, subtract. Okay, if I do this, so we'll end up with 4 times of 3b plus 3a, 10 times of minus 6b plus 3a. And so we have minus plus minus. So this would be minus 6 is equal to plus 9b plus 0. So we have b is equal to minus 6 by 9. So minus 2 by 3. Right? So that would be b, and to find a we'll substitute in I think 1. Yeah. We can substitute in 1 only. So sub b, not that b in 1. So we'll end up with 4 times of 3 times of minus 2 by 3. Sorry, not 4 times. 4 is equal to 3 times of minus 2 by 3 3 into a. So 3 gets cancelled, minus 2, if I transpose it will become 6 is equal to 3a. So we have 3 and 3, so a is equal to 2. Okay, now we have x is equal to half, right? Because remember, x is 1 by a and y is equal to inverse of, right, b. So if you want to verify, you can always verify, substitute it over here. So we have, it has to be equal, minus 3 by 2. Way to substitute. Yeah, it's kind of too much to substitute and figure it out. Anyways, that would be your answer. So here the confusing part pretty much everywhere, I guess, for you guys, right? It's okay. Learn systematically. Again, I've shown the steps in a very neat manner. It's well organized. So pause, have a look. Any doubt, you should be clearing this up with anyone, friends, family, teacher, anyone. So learn the basics. This is all basics. There's nothing fancy over here. This is all basics.